The word of compression. The compression is the female word. Compressing. Going to the young age. My interpretation. The word of compression. Going to the young age. That is the word of compression. The body is going to the steam. The word of compression. Going to the young age. The age level of the childhood. My interpretation about the compression. The word of female compression. That is my interpretation about the compression.